This is what we're learning in lesson 2. Tutorial step by step. Let's go. Let's start the last movement from lesson 2. Right elbow with your ball stance, and you transfer to scissor kick. So make step running actually on the floor and boss leg kick. So this is a scissors kick. So this target is someone leg. You go between their legs. And the next move, 乌龙脚住. So you go trip the leg. You trip right here and trip the leg. So make them fall, and same time you get up from the next move. Trip. So 乌龙脚住, you got to kick your right as a circle and left leg to follow, and roll to your shoulder and your both hand to pull on the floor, and you can get up. It's a really cool move with attack. Also, you can get on guard position and fight again. So you can check details from my monkey kung fu style lesson. As soon as you get up, you quick turn this way, and your body go low. This is called a drop stance. To make step, you stay really low, and your height stay low, and you go double eagle hand right this way. So stop, push. Okay, perfect. So let's see from movement number 1, number 2, and number 3. We continue to fitness the out moves. 1. Scissors kick. 乌龙脚住. And drop stance and double hand. You quick move your balance right center. Hand to grabbing the arm. And your left hand grabbing middle for the arm. Your left hand go attack. And go this way to the throat. You go grabbing right the arm. And go grabbing the arm. And you go attack the throat. After the attack, your left hand and quick come back your right. Cross your both hand. And knee lift. And you make side kick. And you kick down. You quick step, you right, and your head go up, attack the chin, and you finish the game. Let's see the first view for Yīng Kung Fu style. Thank you for following me this far. Now you have an option. Either subscribe my channel or subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. I see you in next video, the lesson 4, Yīng Kung Fu style. Bye bye.